Hello, welcome to the knynman Rod's YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to trim beaks on parrots. And today I have Jim Williams with me, and he's going to be doing the grinding. I'm going to be doing the holding, and we'll go through the process with you real quick and show you how we do it. And hopefully no one loses any blood. Okay, so the proper way to hold these guys is I'm holding them very loosely. I have my fingers around his neck, but the only pressure I'm using is the pressure on his lower mandible, on his lower beak. That way he can't bite me. I have no pressure around his neck, and he's calm. And so we're going to attempt to do his wings right now. What do you want to do?
Well, let's take a start with the beak.
Okay, we're going to trim his beak.
Close enough. That's close enough. I'm wanting blind.
I
want it blind. What I'm going to do is the beak is just going a little bit too long. So I've got a nice new pair of fingernails or toenail clippers, and I'm going to take off approximately a 1/4 inch of his beak. Now he's got a little bit of overgrowth around the top beak, and I'm just going to make it pretty and use a Dremel and trim it up real nice. We got to do this fast because this does produce heat, and we don't want to burn them. Nice and smooth, pretty. His beak's done. Hello, this is Flaco, my Red Lord Amazon, and today we're going to take and show you how to trim beaks, nails, and wings. My friend Roger.
Sorry about that.
No blood.
No blood?
Everything's fine.
No harm, no foul.
Let's see, where do we start? Let's start with trimming her beak.
You're fine. Okay, we're gonna trim Flaco's beak here.
Her beak isn't really in too bad a shape, not as bad as what you saw with George, but with her, she has a much thicker and out of control beak, so this is going to need more of a Dremel. They don't like this. Her beak doesn't grow too fast. It just gets a little crooked and needs to be dressed now and then. She's actually a pretty nice bird. And that's all we're going to do for her beak now.
Alright. Okay, we're back again. We're here with Mufasa, African Grey. And it's his turn to have his beak looked at.
Let's see how we doing here, buddy. I'd prefer to have him a little blinded, just to your advantage. And if you can see, his beak here is a little bit long, so we're going to just take the trim off a small portion. I did not get into the quick. Oh yes, I did. A very slight amount of blood. Stop leak. That septic, that stops it from bleeding. Okay, his beak is trimmed, he's fine. That's all.
Dremel?
No, well, let me see, should I?
Round it off?
Yeah, let's take and give him, I don't round him off because this here tames him down a little bit with a square beak. We can make it dress it up. Nice and smooth. He's pretty. There's his beak trim. Well, hi there. We're back. This time we have the wild one. This is my yellow-naped Amazon. Her name is Bobo, and she does not like this, but her beak is in dire need of trimming. So, here we go. Hold yourself still there, girlfriend. Just a hair more. No, stop. Don't do that. Ouch. Beautiful. We're going to do a little bit of polishing. She's not in too bad a shape, but... Smooth her beak up a little bit. She's looking pretty. I'd say make her so she can breathe. We just want her blinded a little. Turn her over and stand her on my hand.
There you go, Bobo.
Come here, girlfriend.
Good job, Bobo. All right. Hey, thanks for tuning in to the knynman Rise YouTube channel. Hope you learned something today. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for helping.
Hey, buddy.
All right. And I also want to say thanks to Matt, the Southwest Backpacker, behind the camera. You did a great job. Thank you, buddy.
Say hi, Bobo. Hello, little Stevie Wonder. Very superstitious. That's my baby.
Thanks for watching.
Bye now.